As of February 2025, Chevrolet has not announced a 396 cubic inch, 6.5-liter engine option for the 2025 Impala. The current model continues to feature the 3.6-liter V6 engine, delivering 305 horsepower. This engine offers robust performance and is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The 2025 Impala maintains its reputation for a spacious and comfortable interior, accommodating up to 5 passengers. Standard features include an 8-inch color display with AM/FM stereo, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, multiple USB ports, dual-zone automatic climate control, and an 8-way power driver's seat with lumbar support. Higher trims offer additional amenities such as heated front seats, power-adjustable seating, and advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and forward collision warning. In terms of design, the 2025 Impala showcases a sleek exterior with a well-proportioned grille and LED headlamps reminiscent of the Blazer model. The rear features new LED taillights and a coupe-like roofline, enhancing its sporty appeal. Pricing for the 2025 Chevrolet Impala starts at approximately $33,000, with higher trims reaching around $38,000. This positions the Impala competitively within the full-size sedan market, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and modern features. For potential buyers in Pakistan, it's important to note that the 2025 Impala is primarily targeted at the US market. However, if it becomes available, the vehicle is expected to feature a 3.6-liter V6 engine producing 305 horsepower, with an estimated fuel economy ranging between 7 to 10 kilometers per liter. In summary, while the 2025 Chevrolet Impala does not offer a 396 cubic inch engine, it continues to provide a compelling package with its powerful V6 engine, spacious interior, modern features, and competitive pricing.